Hi guys, in this video I'll show you next payment proof, which is from win2url Shortener. We go to the channel, URL Shortener Reviews YouTube channel. From here, okay, this is the channel. For those of you who are watching the video for first time, each weekend I'm posting videos for payment proofs posted by you guys. So go to the forum where we will go in a few seconds and register and post your proof. And in the weekend when I'm free, I will make a video about your proof, and I will include in the video your referral link so you can win some referral earnings for your contribution. Now you can subscribe. Please, in this corner, the right corner, you'll see in your videos. In your video, you'll see a button to subscribe. You can hit it just to stay tuned for next videos. And into the forum we can go from here, or to the Facebook page. Now we open the forum, and from this button you can register here. shortenerreviews.com, win2url. This is the URL shortener I will show you now. This is the withdrawal history page. As you can see, the withdrawal has been made 7th of April for around $6 US, and the amount has been received yesterday, like about 3 days later. You can see the amount, and of course there is a comment into the transaction, the admin included. So this is it. You can register to the shortener from this link to support me, and a little bit more info you can see from this link. Okay, bye, and let's go to the other shortener I want to show you. Bye.